Experience seems quite mysterious to most people. However, your experience is fundamentally who you are, as opposed to what you are and how you came to be and continue to exist. Hi, I'm Ian Anden, and I am pleased to welcome you to a continuation of the exploration of the physics and philosophy of reality. Experience, the third quest. The Physics and Philosophy of Reality, Part 5. Experience is simple, really, to comprehend and understand, even despite the hard work that physicists and philosophers go to make it much more confusing than it actually is, as it is your very own individual perspective on the experience of all, of the substance of reality. The substance of reality is aware of every change in spatial and experiential condition or continuum of being. Reality is omniscient, as well as omnipresent and omnipotent. Reality is simply everything, everywhere, all the time, and all experience of perception and intention of change. One of the basic fallacies of human primitive misunderstandings is that reality is made up of more than one thing. This is called duality or dualism, and if there are more than two separate fundamentals that are believed to comprise reality, it is called plurality or pluralism. Reality is without doubt one continuous being, one substance of spatial, temporal, and experiential existence. This understanding becomes self-evident when you consider the alternatives, which quickly are exposed as irrational, illogical fallacies, fantasies of human primitive persistence. For example, if reality were composed of two or more separate fundamental things, they would necessarily be separated by additional substances to keep them separate. If there is no separating thing between two supposedly separate entities or substances, then they would not be separate, but in fact one unified entity or substance. I refer to this as the absolute embedding or boundary problems. These simple problems are insurmountable, which result in intractable contradictions which render duality and plurality as nonsense and ad hoc notions of human primitive misunderstanding, much more ignorant and profound than believing that the earth is flat, or that the sun revolves around the earth at the center of not only the universe, but also the multiverse, polyverse, and omniverse. You have the ability to choose between simple, elegant, rational thinking, perception, and interpretation of evidence to yield an understanding of reality, or the ignorance of primitive, irrational faith in fantasies that are comfortable and common to most of humanity. Free your mind, change your thinking, change your life, change the world. There are many verses. You are currently living one of them here and now. Your other ancestors and descendants are living your life in countless other verses, and I will be glad to help you to learn and understand how. One life, one love, immortality. Enjoy an awesome day in every way.